Why?
Because
What's
he gets all the food.
and he doesn't leave any for who?
The ducks. Because there's too many ducks. The goose can't get any food. Because there's too many ducks.
Are there baby ducks?
Yeah, but there's 3 baby ducks.
Uh-huh.
Because when the baby, the duck will try to eat the babies.
The mama duck or the daddy duck?
No, the goose will eat the goose will eat the baby ducks.
Is the goose good?
No, he's really bad.
Why?
But he walks over to the tree.
And where's he go?
And the ducks walk over to the other trees over there.
And where does he live?
He is the same place.
Uh-huh. Where's that?